In this lecture, we are going to learn about circular pattern feature in Catia. Go to transformation feature toolbar where you will find a circular pattern feature. Now edit this 3D part, sketch, draw a circle. Now give pad to this sketch. OK. Now select a circular pattern feature. We will make a pattern about this part around the circle of this 3D part. First, select the object to pattern. Now select a reference element about which you want to make pattern. Select this part. Now you can see that two instances is created from this part about 45 degree. Now increase the instances from here. There are 4 instances. Now increase the angle between the instances, that is 60 degree. You can find different parameters option here. First option is instances and total angle, in which you can only give instances and total angle. Second option is instances and angular spacing, in which you can give instances and angular spacing, while total angle is inactive. Each option contains several parameters. Some is active and some is inactive. The next option is complete crown. Increase the number of instances where each instance is at equal angle from each other. The last option is instances and unequal angular spacing. You can give the unequal angles between the instances, double click and change the angle. Give 70 degree, OK. Give 20 degree, OK. Give 30 degree, give 90 degree and 50 degree. So in this way you can give unequal angles. Now select complete crown, preview, OK, and it will create a 7 instances at equal angle from each other. So this was the angular pattern feature in Catia.